Real estate scams are on the rise, and if you're buying or selling a house in San Diego, here's how to protect yourself. A Denver couple just days away from closing their home, they lost $30,000 due to an email scam. They received a fraudulent email instructing them to wire funds into a fake account. Here's tip number 1, verify email addresses. Always double check email addresses from any communication regarding real estate transactions. Scammers often use addresses that look so similar to legitimate ones. Even if you receive an email from anyone, even if it looks like it's from your real estate agent or your title or escrow company and they're asking you to verify the bank account information you want the funds to go into, if you're a seller or if you're a buyer, if they're asking you where the funds are supposed to come out of, do not respond to this. Immediately call your realtor and your escrow officer. This type of scam happens all too often, and we don't want this to happen to you. Tip number 2, confirm wiring instructions. Before wiring money, if you're buying or selling a home here in San Diego, call your escrow officer that you're using with the number that you already have on file. Tip number 3, be cautious with personal information. Avoid sharing personal or financial information over email. Use secure methods of communication whenever possible. Scammers are getting smarter, but by staying vigilant, you can protect yourself from these traps. Share this with someone you know that's buying or selling a home in San Diego.